test shows how this paddle will work and make the form. We have here a conventional fire alarm paddle. Set it off. You'll see a 5-second delay before it goes into alarm. I activate the paddle. It goes into alarm 5 seconds later. Now mount the flow switch off the skid, do a discharge, and go to work. In that position with the cable so you can see it is hooked up to the panel. When we're ready, we'll discharge and you should see the panel operate in that manner. Then we'll remove the flow switch and show you that it's not bent. We're going to press this lever up this cylinder, discharging that system out from that pilot switch. 5 seconds after it's operated, we should see this pedal light up. Are we ready? Set.
Well, she worked, David.
I'd say it's still there.
Yep.
As you can see, it has triggered the flow switch. Wait for the dust to clear and then we'll pull the flow switch out and check that it's not bent.
Yeah. Well, the duct theories work well.
Just opening this up, have a look at the flow switch. As you can see, that paddle is not bent, so we will use shorter paddles to overcome the bending problem on the flow switches.
Yeah, correct.
Thank you.